Please introduce yourself.
My name is Dr. Sabina. I'm from Pakistan, living in the city of Multan in South Punjab province. I live in near the area of MDA Chowk, Shahid Colony, and in near to MDA Chowk, Shahid Colony, Rajapur House.
Okay, all right. Let's start with the interview. So, your first question is do you work or study?
Um, I'm not studying right now. I've completed my studies. I'm running a clinic actually right now. So I'm a dentist. I told you before. So I'm doing patients when in my clinic whenever they need me or when they came with the complaints.
All right. Which magazines or newspaper do you read?
I just read. Sometimes Times, the newspaper Times. Sometimes because I have to correct my vocabulary and vast my English language through these magazines and the newspaper. So my cousin recommended me to read a newspaper for that reason.
All right. What kinds of article are you most interested in?
Okay, I'm interested in actually in detective articles. That if as I'm interested in detective novels and detective stories, so that's why I'm also interested in detective articles related to that. Also, I just like documentary articles also because they are very well established and they give more knowledge and more exposure about different kinds of animals and different things.
All right. Have you ever read a newspaper or magazine in a foreign language?
Yeah, I have read a magazine in foreign language. As we know that English is also a foreign language, so I have read Times. I'm reading Times from many years because I have to, as I told before, I have to vast my vocabulary and want to increase and correct my English language. So that's why I have read.
Okay. Do you think reading a newspaper or magazine in a foreign language is a good way to learn the language?
Yeah, it's very good way to learn a language because whenever you prefer to read English articles or English newspapers or magazines in a daily life, it produce good impact on our vocabulary and our speaking skills. So I think it's very good thing.
All right, so we are done with the part one, and this is the time for your cue card. This is your paper and pen, and this is your cue card. So you have 1 minute to think on it. Your time has been started.
Um, I just remember a meeting which was held at my medical college since 2 years before, 3 years before, when I completed my medical education. This was the meeting. Actually, that meeting was for us to tell about career options and specialization programs. So it was held in the medical college, Mother Medical Dental College, and the meeting was very good and was very excellent actually because we have to learn very precious things from them because they were my teachers present. My teachers were present there also, so they taught me about choosing the career options, whatever you want to do in my subject or some other subjects, specialization programs actually. So the meeting was held with the CEO of Multan Medical Dental College and the principal and vice principal of my dental college as well. And they just told us to make sure what we want to pursue in which field about our my dental field. Like there are many modules like in prosthodontics, orthodontics, and operative dentistry as well. So I have to choose operative dentistry as it was my favorite subject at that time and also right now. So that meeting was also the foreigners have also come to this meeting for checking us about our concerns and our career options. And I met many different kind of people, like my teachers, other students from other universities and medical colleges, and also I told before the foreigners, foreigner
Alright,
teachers.
your charm isn't. So yes, your this is the part three, and your question is, what are the different types of meeting that people often go to?
People actually, if as we know that people are working in any company or job, they have to attend different kind of meetings, like regarding their product, sale product, and other opportunities. For these reasons and for advertisement purposes, they have to meet with different kind of people to show them about their opportunities and their goods as well. So there are different kind of meetings. We cannot say a specific one.
Alright. Some people say that no one likes to go to meetings. What do you think?
I think so because there is a reason for that purpose, because people don't want to go for different meetings because they have less confidence. So main issue is the confidence. So if the people are hesitated to go in front of people and talk to different communities, so they feel nervous and got fear to talk with them and to go on meetings. So this is the main reason. I
But
think so.
alright, why can it sometimes be important to go to the meetings?
Sometimes it is important to go to meetings because it increases your exposure, first of all, and second, I can say that you can confidence build in such way that if you talk with people of different kind, you can and you have a chance to explain them about your product or some goods. If you are doing a job in a company, so it will enhance your properties of speaking and other working skills.
Okay, so we are done with the interview. Okay, Sabina, the concern first comes to the mistakes that you are having. Like once comes to part one. In the part one, like the question was, what kind of article are you most interested in? And then again, the question was asked, like, have you ever read a newspaper? Now here, like you don't have to say like as I told you before. Okay, it's an informal directly, an informal way of talking as well. And in the cue card, like you don't have to say like I am ready to speak. No, examiner will let you know like your time is and it's time to take start for speaking. Okay. And the next thing is like in part C, you are answering well. That's the good thing.
Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Now you have to do